Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating common, fast failures. First, make sure Windows Update finished and then restart the PC. This clears locks. Once done, open Task Manager and end Nvidia container and GeForce processes, then right-click GeForce Experience and run as administrator to test. Next, open Device Manager and inspect display adapters. Note the current Nvidia driver version so you can compare after fixes. These actions find permission, update, and process conflicts early, so you know whether to proceed to deeper fixes. Now you perform a thorough repair. Boot into safe mode and run display driver uninstaller to remove driver remnants. This prevents corrupt files from persisting. After reboot, download the latest game ready driver and choose the custom, then clean install option. This replaces settings and files. Once the driver is in, install or update GeForce Experience and make sure Nvidia container, telemetry, and related services are enabled in services. MSC. This sequence fixes corrupted drivers, mismatched components, and broken service dependencies that block the app. Finish by resetting the app state. In GeForce Experience, sign out, clear settings, then sign back in to resync cloud data. Make sure telemetry and network access aren't blocked by firewall. If errors persist, create a fresh Windows user and test the app there to determine whether your profile is corrupt. And if nothing fixes it, roll back to the last known working driver or rerun and install an older stable driver. This is the single best troubleshooting tip when new drivers introduce regressions or incompatibilities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.